Come on, bird dog. How about that bird dog, Bray? Yeah, come on, I got you. Yeah, man, I got a good cop on you. That sounded real good right there, putting about 2 pounds on. Yeah, come on, putting just a little over 1 pound on me. Okay, come almost up to 3 pounds right there. Yeah, it sounds real good. Yeah, tempo. Yeah, I can tell your audio picked up, but the air signal never did do nothing. Yeah, your audio came up, but your air signal stayed the same, which is about almost 3 pounds. Yeah, what about this one here? Is it sounding any better tonight? Okay, I guess that extra drive I put in it tonight helped it out. That needle's going on over there and staying up there where it need to be. 410. I'm gonna go ahead and get off this amp right here. I'm gonna put that 1 drive and 2 on and see what it do on here. Audio. Audio. All right, that's that 1 drive and 2 right there. How about that, Brent? Yeah, what does one here sound like right there? Yeah, 10-4, that's that 1 drive and 2. Let's see what kind of audio. 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 I was just looking, trying to see how many watts it was showing on here. Yeah, I think that's sounding good right there. I don't know where old Roadrunner is tonight. Yeah, tempo. Okay. Yeah, come on. That sounds real good right there. Like it's showing me about 1.5 pounds. Yeah, come on up there then. I was sitting there waiting on you just then, the lights blinked. You got the 8 peel in line now? Okay, it sounded real good right there. Is that Skull Cracker? I heard you, I did. little bit quieter out here tonight than it was last night. Cause somebody may come around and somebody may be scanning through the channels again. I just sent a road runner text message. What you ask what it sound like? Yeah, about 2 pounds on me right there. It's just a tad bit fuzzy, but I can still understand you. What you do to it then? It act like it cleared up then. Key it up and do it again. Yeah, just a little fuzzy. One of them key up, about 2 key up back, that had cleared up and got real clear. You finished that truck up? Hello.
Yeah, bubble got off.
That you, road runner? I said, that you, road runner?
Yeah, bubble.
What's going on tonight, road runner?
We ready to start this up soon. I got my hair on top profile reading. I take my hair on top over and I go easy, I'm on easy.
Yeah, 10-4.